So guys, for the first method, you want to close all the programs that are currently open on the drive that you want to run the Chkdsk scan for. So you want to close all the programs on that drive that are currently open, and then try running that scan again. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then we're going to run the scan from the Windows recovery environment. To do that, you want to head over to search and type in reset this PC. Click on it. Don't worry, we're not actually going to reset the PC. Instead, next to advanced startup, you want to click on restart now. And then click on restart now again. Wait for this to load, which will now take us to this screen. Now once we're here, you want to click on troubleshoot, advanced options, and then command prompt. And now once we're on this, you can now run your Chkdsk scan. You can now run it through here. And then once you've run the scan, you can now close out of this, and then continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.